Best eSIM in United Arab Emirates. How to buy eSIM in Dubai. The best eSIMs for the UAE in 2025 would be found on Monito. And among the best eSIMs are Saily, Airolo, Nomad, and Jetpack. So you can buy them online through Monito. So to access Monito, go ahead and head over to monito.com and then go ahead and head over into the eSIM tab. So on the eSIM tab, go ahead and set this to United Arab Emirates or Dubai itself. And then set how long would be your trip on that specific area. So for example, my trip to that area would be 1 to 2 weeks. And then set how much data do you need for that eSIM. So for example, I want to have unlimited data. So simply click on this compare eSIMs button and you'll be able to find your options. So as you can see in here, you can sort the results to cheapest, best score, and most data. You can also set or edit the longevity of your trip into the left side of your screen and the data that you need in here as well. So on the list, you'll be able to find the list of eSIMs that you can actually avail for that specific time frame and that specific amount of data. So you'll be able to find the rate of each of these eSIMs along with their price. So among the most popular would be Saily, Airalo, Nomad, and Jackback, which as you can see is among here. And among the highest would be Airalo for unlimited data and validity of 10 days. Now, to be able to avail this or buy this, simply click on this go to Airalo button and that will take you to this section. So in here, what you'll need to do is to go ahead and check the compatibility of this eSIM to your device. So if you're running low, you can always top up. The package starts when you connect to a supported network. So as you can see in here, you can set this to standard or unlimited, and then you'll be able to find the price of each of these data packages at the right side. So for 10 days unlimited data, you'll need to pay at least 31.50 euro. So simply click on that and then click on this buy now button, and then you need to sign up or log into your account on Airalo to be able to buy an eSIM on the platform. So that is how you can basically buy eSIM in Dubai, and that is the list of best eSIM in UAE.